Look at this question. The question is 64 to the power x plus 81 is equals to 81 to the power x plus 64, and we have to find the value of x. As you know that a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So we can write this as 64 to the power x into 64 to the power 81. Similarly, we can write this as 81 to the power x into 81 to the power 64. Now we are going to divide by 81 to the power x on both sides. So we are going to write this as 64 to the power x, 64 to the power 81 upon 81 to the power x is equals to 81 to the power x into 81 to the power 64 upon 81 to the power x. Now this term and this term gets cancelled, and for this, as you know that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b whole to the power n. So we can write this as 64 upon 81 whole to the power x into 64 to the power 81 is equals to 81 to the power 64. Now we are going to move this term in the denominator of right hand side. So we can write this as 64 upon 81 whole to the power x is equals to 81 to the power 64 upon 64 to the power 81. Now we are going to take log on both sides. Log of 64 upon 81 whole to the power x is equals to log of 81 to the power 64 upon 64 to the power 81. Now as you know that log of a to the power b can be written as b log of a. So we can write this as x log of 64 upon 81 is equals to log of 81 to the power 64 upon 64 to the power 81. Now there is another property of log, that is log of a upon b can be written as log of a minus log of b. We are going to keep this term as it is and just write here log of 81 to the power 64 minus log of 64 to the power 81. Now we are going to divide by log of 64 upon 81 on both sides. So we get here x log of 64 upon 81 upon log of 64 upon 81 is equals to log of 81 to the power 64 minus log of 64 to the power 81 upon log of 64 to the power 81. Now this term and this term gets cancelled, and you get here x log of 81 to the power 64 minus log of 64 to the power 81 upon, again write this as log of 64 minus log of 81. Further you can expand it as 64 log of 81 minus 81 log of 64 upon log of 64 minus log of 81. Further you can write this as x is equals to 64 log of 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 minus 81, log of 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6 upon log of 2 to the power 6 minus log of 3 to the power 4. Write it as 64. Just move this 4 here. So you get here log of 3 minus 81 into 6 log of 2 upon 6 log of 2 minus 3. Sorry, this is 4 log of 3. Further, this is x is equals to 256 log of 3 minus this is 486 log of 2 upon 6 log of 2 minus 4 log of 3. Now you know that log of 2 has a value 0.301 and log of 3 has a value 0.4771. Now we are going to put this is 256 times 0.4771 minus 486 times 0.301 upon 6 log of 2 has a value 0.301 minus 4 log of 3 has a value 0.4771. Now we get here x is equals to, multiplying this you get 122.1376 minus this is 146.286. In the denominator we get 1.806 minus this is 1.9084. Further we have x is equals to minus 24.1484 and this is minus 0.1024. So this minus and minus sign gets cancelled, and after division you get the answer 235.8242, and this is our required answer after simplification. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.